Hi everyone, this is Steven with Fovatech, and I wanted to just give everyone a quick thank you for sharing the video about the lighting kit giveaway for our teachers. So far in the last 3 days we've been able to ship out over 100 of these kits, so we're helping a lot of teachers, and thank you for everybody who's sharing this video. So what I wanted to do is give you a rundown of the kit and how to set it up, and then in a minute we're going to go back inside. I'll show you what this looks like, where you should position it, and how it can help. So first off, in this kit you're going to get a light stand. What you want to do, step one, take off this black cap, right? This is a protective cap that keeps it from dinging up the cardboard box and shipping, but if you leave it on, then the fixture won't sit right. So take the cap off first, loosen this. This is going to allow you to open the legs, spread them out so that this cross leg is at about a 90 degrees from the vertical column. This video is going to be a lot less polished because I'm doing it from my backyard. So let's see. Using these knobs, you can adjust the height, get it to where you want it. And again, we'll go inside after this and I'll show you how you should position it, how high you should raise it, and all of that sort of thing. Okay, got this set. Next thing you're going to get is your light socket. Using the knob on the back, loosen it a bit till it fits snugly on top. It's going to wobble a little bit because it's not screwed in, but once you get it on there, screw it in place. I like to tip it back just a little bit. And as you'll see on the back of this, this also is the power switch, so that's where you're turning it on and off. Next up is the lamp. Just like any other lamp, guys, it's just screwing in a light bulb. Nothing tricky about it. Good practice is to not touch the lamp itself. Oils on your fingers can cause them to short out or to blow. Really not as big of a deal with fluorescence as the older tungsten or the halogen lamps, but good practice nonetheless. And then finally, you're going to get this 33-inch translucent umbrella. You want to open it up. Let's flip this around so you can actually see. And there is an umbrella mount right down the middle here. Insert that through. I like to, with this kit, I like to pull it all the way back until the rib of the umbrella is just in front of the lamp. Once you get that to where you want it to be, tighten that down, and then you'll just plug it in and turn it on. So pretty easy setup, and let's go inside. Let's show you how to position it. Okay, like many of you guys, I am working from home. I have commandeered the family dinner table. It is now my office. There we go. So what we're going to do is show you where you can position this light kit to give you the best results. So let's take the kit I have, and what I'm going to do is position it just a few inches above the surface of the table, and my light or my camera is going to be mounted right here. And what that is going to do is put the center of the light source just above my forehead, which means I'm going to get a spill above and I'm going to get a spill below. It's going to look very natural. So I'm going to mount my camera back, and we're going to see what that's going to look like. Okay, so now I got my camera set up where I want it. There's no other light on right now. I just have the window coming through. I'm kind of fortunate to have a big window behind me, but it's also 1 o'clock in the afternoon. As the sun moves later in the day, I'm not going to have that light coming through, and I'd be relying on just the overhead lights, which from this angle, looking at it, it's going to cause a lot of dark shadows, right? So we positioned this light just off to the left of the camera and just above the camera, and I'm going to show you what that's going to look like. There we go. What that's doing is being so close to the axis of the camera, it's hitting you almost square in the face, which alleviates a lot of shadows. If you were to raise this up higher, you might see some darker shadows under your eyes or under your nose. This is a very flat light. It's not very dynamic in its position. You can move it around if you want to create more contrast. But for what a lot of us are doing, that is kind of what you want. You just want to be able to light yourself so that you can create better content for your students. One thing to keep in mind, if you wear glasses, you may see a reflection. If I look up, I can see that there is a reflection from that light. What you can do to alleviate that is to raise it up just a little bit higher. All right, and what that's going to do is keep those reflections down. Like right now, if I keep my head down, there's no reflections, but as I start to pick it up, you'll start to see it on the top of my glasses. Just bump the light up a little bit if you're wearing glasses, and that's going to keep that reflection from maybe distracting whoever is watching your videos. So hope this is helpful. Thank you again to all the teachers for everything you do every day, and stay safe, wash your hands, social distance, all that stuff. See you later.